Okay, before I put my thoughts on the MEST, which I think is the best earphone on the planet right now, and I'm getting a custom version. I got to make an appointment to go to audiologist to get a, not because I have to, but because it's got a sound quality that I can keep that for the rest of my life and don't have to worry about, you can't really sell CIEMs. Don't care. This is a box. So before I do that video, I've been looking for kind of a mid-tier price-wise but high performance DAP for a while, and nothing's really stood out to me, but this does. This is a cut down N8 tube solid state timbre. I'm looking at a tablet on my right that you can't see. Phone output up to 800 milliwatts, 4.4 balance phone out. AK4493 EQ2 up to 1 terabyte embedded coaxial. Never be the same again. Okay, that's what you said with the N8. I still feel the same. The N3 Pro choice of timbre vacuum tube solid state. This has, I think, the same tubes as the N8, which is super cool, because that does give stuff that has a analytical, sometimes cold sound, a little more warmth, as tube usually does. It actually kind of adds a little bit of distortion, but that's kind of nice. Cable is USB to USB-C. This is for transferring your music files or for charging the device. You've got a cover that is actually covering the sides, not the back or the front. I guess that's cool. We'll see how that works out. The device itself. Back is a finger man. Okay, well, this will come off. I'm not going to take that off yet. Side looks sharp as hell. I love this. This is like the black N8. Not the same full design, but it's got the same feel to it. The wheel has a little bit of play on it. Otherwise, it feels nice and solid. You've got your next, previous, pause, play buttons. On the bottom, you've got balanced, your 4.4. You've got your regular, I believe, and then you've got your maybe line out. I'll have to check that more closely. And you've got your charging or data transfer, and then you've got a single US micro SD card, which I'm going to go ahead and slap mine in a minute here. Let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this and slap that card in there real quick. Hold on a second. Okay, we're scanning for music. I have no idea what's on this card. Sorry. Let's see how long this takes. Consider it a slight test. The UI looks very much like the N8. Very cool. This is not got a budget feel to it. The UI looks really cool. 1400 while updating. 15. If that's my typical, okay, there we go. Should be right about there. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Albums. Okay. Now I see a green light down here on the bottom. Let me go ahead. Solid state, triode. Maybe I have to be plugged in. Let me take my unique melody MEST Japanese version. Is this only going to be balanced? So I've got the green light on there right now. Okay, here we go. Now we're going into vacuum tubes. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can quite see that. That red glowing right there, and I'm in vacuum tube mode. Let me back out. Heavy road. Okay, let's try this one right here. Can't find my way home. We're doing this tubed out of single end. Okay. Yay. Yay. I was waiting. I skipped a lot of mid-tier stuff, and now I've got something that's got tube. This is really affordable N8. Of course, people that want to justify the bigger price. All I know, the N8, is that thing's about to slide out of its sleeve at any moment. Look at that tube right there. Yep. So review for this will definitely be coming out because this fits into a lot of the people that view my channel's budget. They maybe have something and they want to move up, especially something that's got tubes in it. This is in front of you because of the tubes. Because talking about the N8 is an expensive investment, and I don't know that it's worth the money. It's a great sounding device, but this could be something. It's just got to not mess up the music. Play it well, make it reasonably easy to navigate, which it just was. I just did it. I've never played with it. I'd unboxed it just 2 minutes ago. It was easy to put in. It was easy to scan. It was easy to start my music. It was easy to fire up the tubes. So a review for this will be coming up. Very cool. Very nice. I'll put this up, and the MST video will be coming up next, probably tonight or tomorrow. And again, the Unique Melody MEST, I'm getting 3D ear impressions so that I can get a custom version. Not because I need it, but because I want it. That's like the first thing. And I also want it to be done in, if possible, this exact brownish. This is so very cool looking and subtle. It's not loud and garish, but it's not plain black either. It's very, very cool. So I'd like to get a custom like this. This is close to that. So that'll be coming up. And I'm out. The Cayin N3 PRO review will definitely be coming for this. DX220 Max, that takes longer for me because I don't do a lot of headphone listening, not recently, because summertime is very hot. So I could fake the funk on an open court dunk, as they say, but let's just do that when I'm really using that, and that's not yet. But this right here, this will be for IEM, so I can put this video up probably in about a week or so. So I'm out.